US, the median age of motorcycle riders is about 50, with nearly 40% of owners over 51. Getting older doesn't mean giving up motorcycling, but it does mean adapting your habits to stay safe. As our bodies and reflexes change with age, a few smart adjustments can keep you riding confidently for many more miles. Here are 9 essential tips to help riders over 50 stay safe and enjoy every ride into their golden years. Number 1. Warm up before every ride. Just like athletes warm up their muscles, seasoned riders should warm up their bodies and bikes before hitting high speeds. Taking a few slow laps around the neighborhood or a parking lot gives your body a chance to loosen up and get comfortable on the bike. This pre-ride warm-up can reveal any stiffness or aches, and you can make adjustments before they turn into bigger problems on the highway. Even your motorcycle benefits. A gentle warm-up gets the engine and tires up to temperature for optimal performance. By dedicating a few minutes to warming up, you'll react quicker and ride more comfortably instead of feeling tight or grumpy at the end of a long ride. Number 2. Stay active and stretch regularly. Staying physically fit is one of the best ways to keep riding safely as you age. You don't need to be a bodybuilder to enjoy motorcycling, but regular exercise and stretching will greatly improve your comfort and control on the bike. Simple activities like daily walks can keep your legs and core strong for handling the bike. Additionally, incorporate stretches that target the key muscle groups used in riding, especially your wrists, shoulders, and hips. As we get older, our muscles and tendons tend to tighten, so gentle stretching before and after rides helps prevent stiffness. By keeping yourself limber and in shape, you'll find it easier to maneuver your motorcycle and less likely to experience aches that could distract you on the road. Number 3. Adopt a comfortable upright riding position. Aching back or wrists after a ride. It might be time to adjust your riding posture. Many older riders find that a more upright riding position greatly enhances comfort and control. Sports bikes with a forward-leaning stance can quickly lead to back or neck pain for mature riders. Instead, consider bikes or modifications that allow you to sit with your spine straight, arms relaxed, and feet directly below you. Cruiser and touring bikes are popular among older motorcyclists. For this very reason, they naturally encourage a relaxed posture. Even if you don't want to change bikes, you can add accessories like handlebar risers or a custom seat to help you sit more upright. The more comfortable your riding position, the longer and safer you can stay in the saddle without fatigue. Number 4. Consider downsizing to a lighter bike. There's no shame in opting for a motorcycle that's easier to handle. As we age, heavy or high-powered bikes can become more challenging to manage, especially at low speeds or when pushing the bike around. Transitioning to a smaller or lighter motorcycle can be a smart safety move for riders over 50. A lighter bike requires less strength to balance and maneuver, reducing the risk of tip-overs and making each ride less physically taxing. Remember, riding is not about the size of the machine but the enjoyment and freedom it gives you. If you're finding your current bike a handful, you might ask yourself, could I comfortably pick it up if it fell? If the answer is no, it might be time to downsize. Choosing a more manageable ride means you'll feel confident in all situations, from tight parking lots to winding back roads. Some riders opt for 3-wheeled motorcycles or models with advanced stability features if balancing on 2 wheels becomes difficult. Always choose a bike that matches your comfort and strength. Number 5. Keep your skills sharp with safety courses. Even if you've been riding for decades, there's always something new to learn. Motorcycle safety courses aren't just for beginners. They're incredibly valuable for experienced riders looking to refresh their skills. Over the years, your reflexes may slow and riding techniques or traffic conditions may evolve. Signing up for a refresher course like an advanced riding class or the basic MSF course can help older riders stay sharp. These courses often cover emergency maneuvers, braking techniques, and the latest safety strategies. Think of it as a tune-up for the most important component of your bike. By dedicating a weekend to professional training every now and then, you'll reinforce good habits and possibly unlearn any bad ones accumulated over time. As the saying goes, you can teach an old dog new tricks, and those tricks just might save your life on the road. Number 6. Be aware of your health and limits. One of the most critical safety tips for older riders is to know your own limitations. Aging can bring changes in vision, hearing, balance, and overall stamina, all of which are crucial for safe motorcycling. Don't ignore signs that your body is struggling. If your eyes aren't as sharp at night, or your joints ache after an hour of riding, acknowledge those factors and plan accordingly. Always keep up with regular medical checkups to ensure conditions like high blood pressure or arthritis are managed well. Being honest with yourself might mean deciding not to ride in certain conditions or for extended periods. Listening to your body is key. If you feel too tired or unwell, don't ride that day. It's far better to postpone a ride than to risk an accident. Number 7, always wear proper protective gear. The saying, dress for the slide, not just the ride, holds true at any age, but especially for older riders. As we age, our bodies become less resilient, so wearing high-quality protective gear is non-negotiable. Always wear a DOT-approved helmet at minimum, and strongly consider full-face helmets for the best protection. A well-fitting helmet can significantly reduce the risk of head injury and also reduce fatigue by cutting wind noise. In addition, invest in a sturdy motorcycle jacket with armor, durable riding pants, gloves, and boots that cover your ankles. Proper gear doesn't just protect you in a crash, it also shields you from wind, sunburn, and temperature extremes, all of which can be harder on an older body. Comfort is key. Look for gear designed with ventilation and extra padding for long rides. Also, never wear a dark-tinted visor or sunglasses at night. They can severely reduce your vision in low-light conditions. Remember, wearing the right gear is an easy way to stack the deck in your favor. It might even make the difference between a close call and a serious injury, allowing you to keep riding for years to come. Number 8. Plan your rides with weather and traffic in mind. Smart trip planning can dramatically increase your safety and enjoyment. At 50 plus, you've got wisdom and patience on your side. Use them to plan rides that avoid unnecessary hazards. For instance, consider taking scenic back roads or less congested routes instead of battling heavy city traffic. Fewer cars around means fewer chances for a mishap and a more relaxed ride overall. Also be mindful of the weather. Avoid riding in adverse conditions like heavy rain, icy cold, or extreme heat whenever possible. Bad weather can be tougher to handle as we get older, since rain or cold can stiffen joints and slow down reaction times. If you must ride in the wet, make sure you have waterproof gear and leave extra following distance for safety. Additionally, try to shorten the duration of very long rides or break them into segments. Fatigue can set in faster than it used to, so plan pit stops to stretch, hydrate, and rest. By strategizing your routes and timing, you'll reduce stress and keep yourself out of high-risk situations, making each journey much more enjoyable. Number 9. Take breaks and don't ride alone if you don't have to. Endurance isn't quite the same at 60 as it was at 20, and that's okay. One of the best ways to stay safe is to pace yourself. On longer rides, take regular breaks to rest your muscles, hydrate, and stay alert. A short pause every hour or so can work wonders for your concentration and comfort. Moreover, consider riding with a buddy or a group of fellow riders, especially on long trips. Having someone else along means there's help if something goes wrong, and it makes you more visible in traffic. And because there's strength in numbers, a group of riders is more likely to be noticed by drivers. Plus, everyone will appreciate those stretch breaks together. Just ensure your riding partners share a similar safety mindset. Now isn't the time to chase the fastest rider. Finally, set realistic goals for each ride. If you start feeling tired, don't hesitate to pull over or call it a day. No ride is worth pushing beyond your limits.